a response coming in from Subrashta on this very fiery debate. Subrashta.
Arnab, I don't understand why are we letting this remark on Abhay Mudra by Rahul Gandhi go unaddressed. Let's know one thing very clearly. Abhay Mudra के साथ आशीर्वाद देने का हक किसको है? एक लोकतंत्र में एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का नेता संसद में आकर कह रहा है कि मैं गॉड लाइक हूं, मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि मैं आपको अभय मुद्रा दे सकता हूं, और हम इस कमेंट को ऐसे ही जाने दे रहे हैं।
My God, my
किस तरीके
God,
की बात है ये? He would have given n number of explanations about his Congress party people. I don't give a damn. But how dare he compare himself and his party to Lord Shiva?
Subrashta is on a strong point tonight on the Rahul mismatch. Subrashta, let her complete her point. Subrashta.
Who does he think he is? Just because the Hindus of this country also gave him 99 seats, it means he's going to insult us in the parliament. And he has become so big after 99 seats that he can insult our gods and goddesses and say कि अभय मुद्रा हमारी मुद्रा है। कांग्रेस समझती क्या है अपने आप को? और इस कमेंट को इस देश की पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो अपने आप को हिंदू कहती हैं, शर्म है उन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज पर भी कि किसी एमपी ने ऐतराज नहीं जताया।
बकवास हो गई है।
Oh, Subrashta is on fire tonight on this debate, ladies and gentlemen. She's made a point, and I want to.
Subrashta.
आचार्य जी कुछ कह रहे हैं आप?
I need to rebut.
नहीं, सवाल उठता है, बिल्कुल सुब्रास्ता ने ठीक कहा है, सवाल उठता है ये कि ये जवाब दें।
हम नफरत की बात नहीं करते,
जवाब देना चाहिए।
1984 भूल गया, दिल्ली मैसेकर भूल गया, भूल गया। आपने क्रिश्चियंस के साथ गलत किया है, आपने सिखों के साथ अन्याय किया है, आपने इस देश के मुसलमानों के साथ भी अन्याय किया है।
But why have you done this? No, आपने क्यों की? No, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I have a statement. एक बड़ी स्टेटमेंट आई है, एक बड़ी स्टेटमेंट आई है अभी हाजी सैयद सलमान चिश्ती जी जो गद्दी सशीन दरगाह अजमेर शरीफ के उन्होंने कहा है, और मैं पढ़ना चाहूंगा। I'd like to read what हाजी सैयद सलमान चिश्ती जी has said. इनफैक्ट वो प्रेयर्स में जा रहे थे, मैं उन्होंने कहा कि मैं कोशिश करूंगा रिपब्लिक में लाइव आने की, मैं देख रहा हूं और वो देख भी रहे। आचार्य प्रमोद कृष्णन जी कह रहे हैं, and he has said, you know, he's a very very respected person. He says, I would like to play out the bite. मैं बाइट प्ले करो। आप लोग हमें कह सकते हैं हम गलत है, आप कैसे प्रमोद कृष्णन गलत है, मगर अजमेर शरीफ के हाजी सैयद सलमान चिश्ती जी जो कहेंगे उसको तो सुनेंगे जी। Can I play it, please? Thank you.
We have heard the statement which has been given by the leader of opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, about connecting a symbol of Abhay Mudra to Islamic prayers or Islamic way of worshipping, which is nowhere mentioned in any of the holy scriptures or even the teachings of the saints, to associate any other symbolic posture to the philosophy and the faith of Islam in terms of not really connecting the ways and practices, which is not in a right note. I think Shri Rahul Gandhi should have an understanding of what are the symbolism which are part of any faith. In Islam, we say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of heavens and earth and the most merciful.
So viewers, Shazia, any comment from you on this comment has come?
So imagine, I really want to give a comment. Arnab, imagine he has not just displeased the Hindus in such a brazen, offensive manner. Even the Muslims, the Gaddi Nashin of the Dargah of Ajmer, the oldest Sufi shrine of this country, from where the Sufi silsila began, even he has a problem with the way Islam has been projected. And very soon, and Amit Shah did make a reference to that. Please go check your facts, go to all the religious leaders, and he said that. Do you remember? He said, go to SGPC and find out what they feel about this. Go to Islamic faith and check again. But I mean, this just shows, you're right, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. But he's made a complete, fool of himself.
He's made a
And
ham
it's
of it.
quite,
Yeah.
you know, it's just lack of gravitas.
The problem with you
Yeah,
all
it's
is
just-
he has
it's
tried
no
to establish
substance. You
a
know, there's only
universal
this much
truth
he can-
amongst all the religion. What he has tried to display is there is an element of truth which prevails across all religions. And this forms
I mean,
the
come
basis
on.
towards
We are not
peaceful
so-
brotherhood. But this is
Don't-
unacceptable to you.
We're not
because
rank
you
idiots.
believe in
No,
complete
don't treat
division,
us as rank fools.
exclusion of
We're
every
not rank
religion,
fools.
and fitting
Ladies and
one
gentlemen,
We don't need any gyan.
ladies and gentlemen,
We don't need any gyan
viewers,
from Rahul Gandhi.
No,